everyone, I'm Jessie from Weiken.com, Oxley Bizhub 2 showroom. The whole office layout consists of a divider feature wall which divides the reception and the workstation area, the new meeting room with the glass and partition, 2 director room and the system furniture workstation area. The office had a huge transformation from changing the entire flooring to carpet flooring. I did the changes to the pantry and the bathroom area with screening of the flooring and the kitchen cabinet.
Hi, my name is Alan and I'm the CEO and founder of M.Pupu. So basically we're an F&B mobile application company. Due to expansion, we had to set up an office urgently. So myself and 3 other co-founders went around sourcing for an ID till we came across Weiken. Well, I have to say I'm extremely pleased with the design concept provided by the senior interior designer Jessie from Weiken. And we told her what we wanted, like especially the meeting room, the table, customized system furniture, and she got everything all wrapped up together very well. Okay, the entire renovation was completed way ahead of our schedule and everything fell within our budget as well. So thank you, Jessie, thank you very much and good job, Weiken.